My name is Sam Soderson. I am studying 6th standard. This is a model of different types of network. There are mainly 3 types of network: LAN, WAN, MAN. LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, WAN is wide area network. So what is a network? A network is a set of computers connected to each other to exchange information. There are mainly 3 types of network. LAN is used for small community. It covers cities. It connected devices within a limited area such as schools and offices. MAN is used for large community. MAN covers cities and large campus, etc. MAN will link multiple LANs together. WAN is used for large community, cities and countries. Enable communication and data exchange on the global scale. Conclusion: network, whether small like LAN, WAN, MAN, helps to share information and plays a digital role in our digital life. Thank you.